Connecting with God. Do you know that there is someone with you all along? He has never left your side. He was there for you whenever you needed him, and he will be there for you. Have you known him? Have you tried to get closer to him? Are you sad? He will give content to your heart. Don't worry. He is merciful. Have you sinned? He will forgive you. Go ask for forgiveness if you have not already, and He will give it to you. Don't worry if you feel alone or find no one to talk to. He will listen to your every word with full attention and care. His companionship will never ever make you feel alone. When He is your friend, you don't have to worry about anything. His love will never leave you. Don't be sad, hopeless, or anxious in these trials of life. They are for some time. He will take you through them into His safe havens. Be patient, my friend. Don't you see these hardships are here to make you pure, to get rid of any impurity in you, so you will be ready to receive His gifts. He has much to give you. You will have all that you want and more. You just have to put through these trials for some time. This life is a test from a loved one to make us worthy of His gifts, so He can reward you. Your job is not to give up. Have hope, have belief, and keep on moving towards Him. He will pick you up whenever you fall down. He is with you all along your journey. You don't have to feel sad or worried about it. Even though if you feel like giving up, you will find Him standing next to you. You just have to keep on moving. This is the only way, my friend. There is no other way. Don't get distracted by this world or anything in it. You are here for God, and you will be with Him sooner or later. Trust in Him. Have hope. He is your friend. He is your God. He is your master. He will never leave you. You just have to keep on moving. Never stop and never give up.